Alright, we have some coding to do, baby. This feature has been long as. Okay, let's hit this. Okay, I think this should be it. Let's go ahead and run this to see how it works. Alright, we have some coding to do, baby. This feature has been long as. Okay, let's hit this. What happened? What the This was working just like 5 minutes ago. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and undo this. Wait, why is this not undoing? Why is this not undoing? Dude, it's not going back. Dude, what? How do I even know what changed? Have you ever been in a situation like this when you're making changes to your code and suddenly everything breaks and you can't figure out what went wrong? This is where Git comes in. Git is a powerful tool that helps you track changes, manage versions, and collaborate with others without losing your mind over some broken code base. Imagine if you had a time machine for your code. You could go back to whenever you knew the code was good and try again. Let's meet the key players in Git. This is Commit.
Hello there.
Who records every change that happens. This is Branch, who lets you work on multiple tasks simultaneously. And this is Merge, who keeps order and brings everything together. Let's see how this young man actually uses Git on his machine, and let's note the steps he takes. Okay, let's initialize this, git init, and let's commit this. Let's add to staging and commit it. Initial commit. And there we go. Let's add a couple files here for the code. So we're gonna have here a store, and in here we're going to create a page. Cool, and let's go ahead and copy and paste this code from ChatGPT that I haven't even tested. Cool. Okay, cool, and my files are tracked over here so I can see the changes. This one was added, and this right here. Okay, we definitely don't want to commit this. Let's go ahead and remove it, and you're gone. Cool, only one change. Perfect. Nice, let's just commit that. So first we add it to staging, then we commit, added the new page with our message, and boom, there we go. Now my changes are tracked, and I should not see any changes here. Perfect. Okay, you know what? Let's go ahead and try this again. So let's add that code that we had before, and let's run this. Yep, nope, I'm not gonna go through that again. I'm just gonna revert the changes right here and discard changes. Yes, cool. I'm definitely not gonna go through that again. So there you have it. Next time that you find yourself with some broken code and wish you had a way to undo it, remember Git. It's your project's best friend, helping you manage changes, track progress, and collaborate with ease. If you want to learn more about Git, go ahead and check out this video over here or the resources that I put down in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos in the future. Happy coding and stay curious.